Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn CVC words with short vowel I sound. As we know, vowels are A, E, I, O and U, and each of these vowels has two sounds. The short sound is A, E, O, A. But in this video we will learn how to blend short vowel I sound with three-letter words. So we have consonant, vowel and a consonant. Let's learn with me. So my dear friend, first we will blend two letters and then we will blend three letters together and make a new word. Let's learn with me. The first sound is D, and here this is vowel A. D, A, D, and the third sound is P, D, A, D, P. Can we say even faster? Dip, dip. Next word is A, Hey, P, Hey, P, hip. Next sound is E, lip, lip, lip. S, sip, sip, sip. B, bed, bed, bed. D, 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 did. H, he, D, head. S, D, sit. So this is the way how we blend first two letters with sounds and then three letters together and make a new word. Let's try again with me. B, B, T, bit, bit. F, fit, fit. Hit, hit. Kit, kit. Net, net. Big, big. D, dig, dig. P, pip. This is consonant digraph. B and L make sound bl, bl, a, blip, blip, blip. Cl, a, clip, clip, clip. Neck, neck, neck. Kick, kick. Wake, wake. This is also a consonant blend. Cr, a, crab, crab, crab. Tw, a, twe, twi, twin. So these are all CVC words. So this is a way how we blend first two letters and then three letters together and make a new word. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more lessons update. Thank you.